Hi guys, my name is Sabrina and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another copic speed drawing, and this video is a bit shorter than the other videos I've made. And I think it's because there are a little bit less details in this video for the actual drawing herself. Now I do love her, I'm very happy that I drew her, and I absolutely love art and music as well. So I really wanted to draw something musical, something with like a score going around in the background, and I think that works quite well. And for those of you wondering, the music that I've drawn is not an actual song. I did consider making it an actual song, so maybe keep an eye out in the future for when I do it again, because I might trick you guys sometimes and actually put an actual song in there, so I'd be impressed if you'd find that. And I'm a cellist myself as well, so I work with music on a regular basis, and it's very enjoyable. I love doing that, it's amazing, and I just wanted to do something that reflects that as well. So for this drawing, it's very plain and simple, as you guys can see. It's a girl with headphones on, and it's been a little while since I've drawn with my Copic markers because I got my iPad in, and I've been playing around with my iPad quite a bit as well to make sure that I'm getting used to it. And of course it's new, so why not play around with your new techie stuff? So yeah, that I really like it. I'm really happy with it. But I really felt it was time to go back to my Copics, and I'm glad I did. It's just nice to go back with those two. And don't get me wrong, I will not abandon one medium for the other. I will learn both mediums, and on this channel I will show you both mediums. So it won't just be Copic drawings anymore. It will be a mix of Copic drawings and my iPad drawings, and there are a few lessons coming up as well, so I wanted to share that with you guys too. So that'll be very exciting. For the skin, I tried to do what I taught myself in my last few drawings, to use a few shades of actual skin colors and then go over it with a light purple for the darkest areas for the shades, and it worked quite well. I'm getting there, definitely getting there. And I wanted the light to come from the front but somewhat on top. And for the hair that I'm going to do something that I've not ever really done before. So usually when I did the hair, I shaded in the entire hair with the lightest shade and then used two other colors to give it the highlight that I wanted it to have. But for this one, because her hair is going to be so incredibly light, it's just a really light blonde that I really wanted to use for today. I was like, there's no way I can get my highlights in if I'm going in with this shade and then having two darker shades to go there. It won't be as light as I want it to be. So I had to pick my highlight areas and make sure I did not color those areas in, which is not something I've ever done before. This is the first time I did it, and I think it came out quite well. More practice is definitely required, but I think I didn't do such a bad job at it, so it's okay. And in hindsight, I noticed I did something so incredibly silly as well, and I did rectify it afterwards. Unfortunately, it was after shooting that I realized I colored in her mouth in skin tone completely, like her teeth, and that was a mistake. So I went in with my white Posca pen and I rectified that issue, so she now has white teeth, and that is sorted. She doesn't have skin color teeth anymore, so thank goodness. And what I also noticed is I didn't really do anything with the lips. I don't know if that's because I'm sick. I was sick when I was drawing this as well, and I still am, and I'm getting better, but obviously it's still messing with my head a little bit, I think, because I did not do anything with her lips either. It's just one of those days where I'm like derping all over the place, but I'm getting there, so it's okay. And one thing I noticed as well is I usually start with coloring in the skin itself before I do anything else. And I know I started with the background in this drawing because I really wanted to have that done, and it was a simple enough background anyway. And then I completely forgot to coloring the arms, and the arms are skin color too, and I don't know why I did that. So I'm totally out of my element here. I don't know if it's because I didn't work with copic markers for too long. I probably have to go back with coloring in more often, and I really want to get some new lights, because these lights that I have, I barely have any lights. I rely on natural sunlight from a window that is at the right of me, and on a small light that is on my desk, which is quite small as well, and my desk is quite small for the working area. So we are going to fix that, and hopefully I can get some big box lights so that the room is literally filled with bright white light, and you can see the drawing just a bit better, because I'm personally starting to get annoyed with this myself. So I really want to improve that for you guys as well, to make the viewing experience just that bit more nicer. And what I went for her look is I wanted to have her, I don't know how old-fashioned it is, but I think it's something from my youth or something. I wanted her to wear a very bright pink jacket, a bit fluffy. Didn't come out as fluffy as I intended it to be, but that is what I was going for, with the big headphones on. And I realize nowadays everyone is wearing AirPods or just earphones, and that these big headphones aren't really, they are still out there. Anyway, it seemed just a bit more old-fashioned to me, but I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the outcome. I hope you did too. So I'll leave you watch the rest of the video with just a bit of music, and I'll talk to you at the end. We are already at the end of my video. It's not a long video, as I said. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you next time. Thank you. Bye.